Hi everyone, I'm Clara, and welcome back to day 20 of my 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today, I reached a milestone, 20 days, 20 straight days of shadowing, 20 days of listening, 20 days of speaking, 20 days of showing up, and honestly, I feel proud. When I started this challenge, 30 days seemed far away. It felt like a huge commitment, but somehow, here we are, day 20. And today, I noticed something exciting. Something that would have felt impossible just a few weeks ago. I can follow English conversations without getting completely lost. And honestly, that feels amazing. Now, am I understanding every single word? No, not even close. But that's not the point. The point is that I'm understanding enough to follow the conversation, enough to understand the ideas, enough to stay engaged. And that's a huge improvement. This morning, while having breakfast, I watched an English interview. Normally, I would focus on individual words, trying to understand every sentence perfectly. But today, I did something different. I simply listened. And something surprising happened. I followed the conversation naturally. When one person asked a question, I understood the purpose. When the other person answered, I understood the main idea. And honestly, it felt effortless compared to before. That moment made me realize how much progress I've made. Later, I started my daily shadowing session. Headphones on, audio ready, and press play. The speaker began talking, and almost immediately, I noticed how familiar English sounds have become. The rhythm, the sentence patterns, the common expressions, everything felt more comfortable, more predictable, more natural. Around minute 4, I realized something. I wasn't focusing on every word anymore. I was listening for meaning. And I think that's one of the biggest changes I've experienced during this challenge, because real communication isn't about understanding every word. It's about understanding the message, the feeling, the idea. And today, I felt connected to the message. Around minute 6, I paused the audio and thought back to day 1. I remembered how difficult everything felt. How fast native speakers sounded, how nervous I was, how often I doubted myself. And honestly, that version of me feels very far away now, not because I'm fluent, but because I'm confident. Confidence changes everything. Today also reminded me of something important. Progress doesn't always happen dramatically. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's invisible. But if you keep showing up, if you keep practicing, if you stay consistent, the results eventually appear. That's exactly what happened to me. One shadowing session at a time, one sentence at a time, one day at a time. And now, 20 days later, I'm seeing the results. Another thing I've learned is that understanding conversations is not about knowing every word. It's about trusting yourself, trusting your listening skills, trusting your brain, and trusting the process. The more I do that, the easier English becomes. As today's session came to an end, I felt grateful. Grateful for every practice session, grateful for every mistake, grateful for every breakthrough, because every part of this journey matters. And honestly, I'm excited. Excited because there are only 10 days left. 10 more opportunities to improve. 10 more opportunities to grow. 10 more opportunities to surprise myself. Am I fluent? Not yet. But today, I can confidently say something I couldn't say on day 1. English conversations no longer scare me, and that's a huge victory. So that's day 20 of my 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today's lesson is simple. You don't need to understand every word to understand the conversation. Trust yourself. trust the process, and keep going. Thank you for joining me. And if you're learning English too, remember this: every day of practice matters, even when it doesn't feel like it. I'll see you tomorrow for day 21. Bye, everyone.